Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me, and today I've got a new product here that was just released this week. It's 2023 Heritage Baseball. So I stopped into the LCS today to see if they had anything new, and lo and behold, they actually had hobby boxes of Heritage. They didn't have anything new for hockey. I was gonna see if they had any new this new Trilogy that just released on Thursday. But yeah, so not sure what the going rate is for these. I want to say it was like $80 on tops. Maybe it was 90, but this is what I got it for, was $90. And instead of being buried, mine's is on top of the pack, or on top of the packs, the oversized box topper, and it's rookie Shea Langoliers for Oakland. So, not the biggest name. It is Oakland. We'll be leaving shortly from Oakland and heading to sunny Vegas. So, we'll get the packs here all stretched out. So there's our 4 stacks. And as I probably didn't mention, but if you're not familiar with Heritage, you're going to get either an autograph or a relic card in every box. And most likely you're going to get a relic. But then as well, there's your QR code that if you snap that should take you to the Topps website, which will have all the odd information as well as the checklist. Although it looks like they did print on the pack the odds. That's interesting, as they did not do that for Bowman, and a lot of the newer products, they are not doing that anymore. So this must have been set up prior to, like, say, the Bowman release. So we start off with a strikeout leader of Garrett Cole and Corbin Burns. So I want to say that's just a high, well, it's just part of the base set. And we have a Sean Murphy for the Braves, Nick Solak, Keegan Thompson, our first rookie, Brian Bello for Boston, Trent Grisham, Luis Severino for the Yankees, Kyle Schwarber for the Phillies, and a Tony Kemp. So, just a base, uneventful first pack. There's a former Yankee, Jameson Taillon. All-Star shortstop, Tim Anderson and Trey Turner. Showing Trey still on the Dodgers. There's another rookie, Corbin Carroll, Dominic Smith, Cody Bellinger, Randall Grichuk, Jose Altuve, Marco Gonzalez for Seattle, and Glenn Otto, who was a rookie last year. I want to say you can expect to get one Chrome card, and we did not get a hot box because I was going to mention that to start with, that you potentially could get a purple refractor hot box. At least I think they still have them this year. But since we didn't get one in the first pack, the very first pack, this is not a hot box. Mark Vientos, rookie for the Mets. Ezekiel Tovar, rookie for the Rockies. Miles Mikolas, Carlos Rodon, Alexi Diaz. Another rookie, Franklin German. Or maybe it's just German for him. There's a then and now. Lou Brock and John Birdie. That's an insert. And an Oscar Gonzalez rookie for the Guardians. And Jake Cronenworth for San Diego. Jeter Downs, former Red, former Dodger, former Red Sox. Now with the Nationals. Ian Happ, Jose Miranda, Graham Ashcraft, rookie pitcher for the Reds, Logan Gilbert, Bo Bichette, Rowdy Tellez, Dalton Guthrie, rookie for the Phillies, and an Andrew Chafin. Former Astro, Miles Straw. Joe Musgrove, also an Astro formerly. Nicky Lopez for the Royals. David Hensley, rookie for the Astros. Martin Perez, former Red Sox. Ryan Helsley, Kyle Wright. Ezekiel Duran, rookie for the Rangers, who are still leading the West in the American League. And then Tyler O'Neill for the Cardinals, former Mariner prospect. Evan Longoria on Arizona. Alex Call, rookie for the Nationals. Zach McKinstry, stolen base leader. Jorge Mateo for the Orioles. And John Birdie for the Miami Marlins. Tim Anderson, JT Realmuto. New Age Performer, this should be an insert as well. For Spencer Torkelson. So along with like the then and now. Jose Budo for the Mets, rookie. And Carlos Santana. Christopher Morel, rookie. Marcus Stroman. Ryan Reynolds. Michael Harris. Technically it's his second year, but as far as Topps is concerned, it's his rookie. Rosny Contreras. Jeremiah Estrada, rookie for the Cubs. Morjan for the Padres. Alec Thomas. And a Carson Kelly. Start off this pack with a rookie of Easton McGee for the Mariners. Riley Green, rookie for the Tigers. A regular Shea Langoliers to kind of coincide with the oversized. Carlos Carrasco for the Mets. Shohei Ohtani. And then Luis Rengifo. So a lot of people are going, what's going on there? Well, the story there is that if you saw that in archives a few years ago, they don't print the area that the team is from, considering it's Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. So they just print Angels. Gene Segura, Alejandro Kirk, and a Cal Mitchell rookie. Wasn't he a former Padre? No, not a Padre. Always with Pittsburgh. Starling Marte. Matthew Batten, rookie. Perdomo. Joe Ryan. Jeremy Pena. All-Star Rookie Cup. Adam Simber. Oh, here's our flashback. Rockefeller becomes 41st U.S. Vice President. Victory leader, Verlander and Wright. And a Matt Brash. I want to say... No, he was always with him. Getting to the halfway point. All-Star third baseman, Devers and Machado. Drew Waters, rookie for Kansas City. Israel Pineda, rookie for the Nationals. Jorge Lopez. Aaron Nola, Corey Seager. C.J. Abrams. Tyler Anderson. And our final card in this pack is going to be Bailey Falter, rookie for the Phillies. Hunter Brown, rookie for the Astros. Aaron Judge, Kyle Schwarber, home run leaders, ALNL. Jeez, I keep hitting that. Miguel Andujar. So that should be a former Yankee. Who was a top prospect at one time. Patrick Corbin for the Nationals. Austin Hayes. Trace Thompson. Pablo Lopez for the Marlins. Max Mayer, rookie for the Marlins. And I think this is an Aaron Judge insert set. The Aaron Judge Special. So showing as 2021 and 2022 base cards. So halfway point. Cesar Hernandez, a Zach Thompson rookie for the Cardinals. Yordan Alvarez for the Astros. Steve Kwan, All-Star Rookie Cup. Javi Baez, Framber Valdez, New Age Performer of Julio, Alek Manoah, and Michael Garcia. For the Kansas City Royals. On to the second half of the box. The final, what? Final 8? No. 12? Because it's probably a 24 pack box. I didn't even look at that. It's got to be 24 count. Come on. Yep, 24 packs. So, yep. Final 12. Brendan Donovan, Ha-Seong Kim, Cedric Mullins, Patrick Wisdom, Louis Varland, rookie pitcher for the Twins, Jordan Diaz, rookie for the Athletics, a flashback for Perez, for the Reds, Tony Perez, and Bobby Witt, Rookie Cup. Med Rosario. Now in the Guardians, former Met. Something I don't like about these packs is they get all clingy with the static electricity. Brian Hayes, Lance McCullers, Danny Jansen, Jack Sawinski for the Pirates rookie. Joey Gallo on the Twins. O'Neal Cruz, who got hurt there and early on in the season. Profar for the Padres. Yohan Duran for the Twins. And a Cal Raleigh for the Mariners. Looks like, no, I was going to say it looks like it might have the first chrome, but that is not the case. Hernandez for the Rangers rookie. Andres Jimenez. Clay Holmes. Pete Alonso. Josh Rojas. Jesus Aguilar for the Orioles. Bryce Montes de Oca for the Mets rookie pitcher. Wilmer Flores. And a Hunter Dozier. Robbie Ray, Mariners. Jacob Junis, Giants. Dalton Varsho on the Blue Jays, former Diamondback. Mike Yastrzemski, Jared Walsh, the Angels. Rougned Odor for the Orioles. New Age Performer of Corbin Carroll, that's a rookie one. Matt Strahm, former Padre, Red Sox, and now Philly. And a Garrett Hill rookie for the Tigers. Getting down there. Might have something here. Salvador Perez for the Royals. Max Muncy for the Dodgers. Nico Horner for the Cubs. Felix Bautista, rookie pitcher for the Orioles. Benintendi, now on the White Sox. Hayden, well, we do have a backwards card. Hayden Wesneski, rookie pitcher for the Cubs. And a Javi Baez. Is it action variation? What does it say there? Position, oh, so it's flipped. So the name is flipped with the position. Ketel Marte for the D-backs, and Eric Hosmer now on the Cubs. Ken Walchuk for the Oakland Athletics rookie. Nelson Velasquez, rookie for the Cubs. Michael Kopech, White Sox. Kevin Biggio. All-star outfielders Acuna and Judge. Oswald Cabrera, rookie for the Yankees. Alex Verdugo for Boston. Daniel Vogelbach for the Mets. And Christian Walker for the D-backs. Marcus Wilson, rookie for Seattle. Figueroa, rookie for the Pirates. Yu Darvish for the Padres. J.J. Bleday, rookie for the Marlins. Marcus Semien for the Rangers. Jesus Luzardo for the Marlins. Daniel Bard for the Rockies. Gleyber Torres for New York. And Alec Baum, Phillies. Coming down to it. Jose Berrios. Drew Smiley. Kevin Gossman. Taran Varva, rookie for the Orioles. Zach Gallen. Francisco Alvarez. And here's another then and now. Nolan Ryan and Sandy Alcantara. Chris Bryant. And Jermaine Marquez. And we got something here. Probably a chrome. Caleb Killian, rookie for the Cubs. Jordan Montgomery for the Cardinals. Ryan Aguilar, rookie for the Angels. Mackenzie Gore for the Nationals. George Springer. Christian Pache. Ty France for the Mariners. Matt Wallner for the Twins rookie. And for the Phillies, we got a Kyle Schwarber, numbered to 999, just a base chrome. If it was a fractor, it'd be like the 563, I want to say. Only 3 packs left. Do we get a relic or do we get an actual auto? Connor Wong, Christian Yelich, Josh Donaldson, Lamont Wade, Eric Lauer, Cole Calhoun, Brandon Drury, Rafi Devers for the Red Sox, and a Bobby Dahlbeck. So 2 Red Sox back to back in that pack. So we're down to the last 2, and I hate to say it, that one does look like a relic. Unless it's some crazy book thing, which would be awesome, but Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the D-backs, Joe Meneses for the Nationals, Andrew McCutchen, Jose Urquidy, Matthew Libator, rookie for the Cardinals, Joey Bart, Brett Batty, New Age Performer rookie, and Andrew Vaughn, the White Sox, and a Noah Davis rookie for the Colorado Rockies. So here's our last pack, and most likely it is a relic. You'll be curious. Jock Peterson, Luis Arias for the Twins, Hae-Sung Kim, Brian Hayes, Corbin Burns, Matt Manning, Nolan Gorman, and it does look like an auto relic. Nolan Gorman, rookie for the Cards, Corey Kluber, and our final hit for Cleveland, the Clubhouse Collection, Jose Ramirez, relic auto. So I guess technically I got both, a relic and an auto in the same pack. I want to say that's 75 point. I don't know if I have any 75s, just maybe a 55 point will work. No. Well, I don't have a 75 here, so I guess it's going to be a 100 point. So there we are. I was going to say, I don't think it's, oh no, it is. Hand numbered 12 of 25. Jose Ramirez Clubhouse Collection, Cleveland Guardians. So that's the hit of the box. And then the other 2 notable hits were the Kyle Schwarber Heritage Chrome to $9.99, base chrome, and the position flip on the card for Javi Baez for the Tigers. Instead of his name being down here and his position up here, it's flip-flop. And then as well the oversized card of Shea Langoliers for Oakland, the Oakland rookie. So you do get a healthy amount of rookies in a box. I don't know how many high numbers. I'm not going to go through it in this. But here are all the rookies out of that box. And then, just so you get that as a frame of reference, there's all the base cards for the box, and there's your rookies. And then, of course, I only got the one Aaron Judge insert set card. But anyway, that concludes this break of 2023 Heritage Baseball 1974 edition. So hope you all enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.